Alright folks, hello people. Here is the 124 scale Atlanta police cars. These are small, like matchbox size, the ones I made. Painted them and did all the graphic, which was not easy. This is what I do here. So I got the 164 scale Crown Victoria, little flat light bar here. Then you got another light bar, and this is that Taurus they have, the new one, the newest car that they have. Look at it a little closer. Then it's just three. These models are for sale. They're the sale case models. Atlanta Police. This is their new style colored, all dark blue. It used to be all white in the early 2000s, late 90s. So this is what they got now. For those of you who don't know, that's familiar with them and never seen those then, this is what they have today, 2018. The blue, dark blue colors. They don't carry Charger in their fleet. They just have the Crown Victorias and also the new Ford Explorers. Now, I haven't made one of them yet, but I have a few. So this is your 164 scale APD Atlanta police cars. So I'll be back with another chapter. I have a bigger one that I created. Show you the details on that one.